Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. Welcome back to all my existing subscribers, and also many thanks to all my new subscribers. I'm really grateful and appreciative. I'm going to do my savings challenges today. As usual, I have £140 here, £20 in £1 coins, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 30, 35, 40. And I don't think I have any rollover money. No, I don't have any rollover money. So let's just begin. I usually start with my Sagittarius challenge. And I'm going to do I've covered all the letters. Let's do a planet. Let's do a planet. I'll just get the pink out for a planet. The planet and stars are £5. Or shall I finish? No, let's do a planet. They are £5. And luck of the draw. Love my luck of the draw. I really do. I have got my cards here. Let's see what we shuffle and pull this week. Hope you've had a really good week. I really do. The weather's been up and down. Today's a very nice day, I must say. Mine was just, you know, doing the daily chores, the job. Just on the job. Right, let's see what we can pull here. 4 of diamonds, and I will do £5. Got one more diamond left, so I'll do £5 and just mark off the last diamond. Right, and I'll put this in the pouch. Won't be using this again. Put these away. For another time. Great. And then get to 100. I do believe it will be more than 100, because I whitened out some of the £5, so I can put £10 in, so it will be more than 100. I'm not going to count it or anything to give me a total. I'm just going to go with the flow. So we're putting £5 in this today. And I'll just colour this in. I really love doing my savings challenges. It means a lot to me, because the money that I save every week, it would have just been going straight on shopping, buying craft items and all sorts. I'm going to do the big ones now. I will do the big dice challenge, and I have I will do 2 reds. Yep. Okay, so that's 2 and a 3. Let's see if we've got 2 and a 3. And see a 3 here. And a 2. That's 2 and a 3. 2 and 1. That's I've done that wrong. Let's just clean this off. So it's a 2 and a 1. Silly me. Two and a 1, that's £3. I'll do 1, 2, 3 and roll again. 5 and a 3. Let's have a look. Got a 5 here and a 3. Great, so that's £8. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Lovely. Put those away. That one's finished with. And then we'll do the roll and strike. Oh dear. Oh dear. I've got another jar to put all these new ones, the coins in for all these new ones. Just so I know where the money's going. This jar is strictly for the roll the dice double the savings challenge. So let's begin. I'll get the dice for those. I'll get a green. Let's do a transparent green. Let me get the bottle for that so I don't get confused. Right, I've decided to keep all the coins for the new games in this one. I'll put that in there. Just so I know where all the coins are going. And I'll just roll. So this one, the roll and strike, this is from Sam's Budgeting Corner. And you roll 1 dice, strike out the number rolled, play until you can't strike out anymore, and colour the remaining box and save that amount. Then move to the next box. It hasn't been very kind to me, unfortunately, but hey ho, gotta keep going. It's a fun game, I love it. So here we go. 6. Nice. I am happy with that. Yes. 5. Great. I've been praying on it, praying on it. 1. All right. Lovely. I am really happy today with this. Good. 1. Right. So that's that. That's out. So that's left me with 5 and 4 is 9. So I will just colour it in. The 9. Where's the yellow? I'm sure I took the yellow out. There we go. To colour it in. So I'll just colour that in quickly. I mean, I'm happy with this because the few times, as you can see, I got all the high numbers. So I'm really glad that I managed to, you know, strike out the big numbers this week. So that's £9. So that's 5. Actually, I'll just put 10 for that. Yeah, I'll just put 10 for that. Yep. So that one's done. And roll and strike goes into here, and also it's gonna be May. I did start a week later into April, so that's why I'm still behind here. So let's have a look. From the 22nd to the 28th, that's 5, 9, 14, 15, 17, 20. So we'll do £20 and I'll mark that out. Yep. I did sharpen it up, but it looks like it's broken again. Great. Did I say £20? Yep. So that will go into this one, and I've got 2 more to do because, as I said, I'm not stressing myself out because I started a week later into April. So that's that. We're done with those ones. Great. And then now let's do the roll the dice double the savings challenge. I'm going to do blue. 3, so that's £6. 2, 4, 5, 6, and then we'll roll again because it's come under 6, the number 6, and we do 6 again, so that's 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna owe this. I'm gonna owe £3. Just gonna put that there. Owe £3 for next week. Yeah, I'm not bothered about it. I'm good with that. Right. So I'll put that there. That away, and here comes the new one for April. Just take this one out. This one was completed last week, and I'll just leave that there. Oh, let me just count it. Should be 65 in here. That's 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, all done. Right, and then I'm going to put May in. May is due today, so let's colour in May. I did choose this colour. £20 is going into that today. I'll just colour it, speed it up, and I'll come back to you. I love that. So this gets £20 and call it a day. I always do the big one as £20 and the smaller ones at £5, and I usually do £15 a week for the month, so I'll see how that goes. Just depends how the money spreads. I'm leaving the Save 2023 in 2023 for last until I've finished these ones. So I've got the 52-week challenge, and I think I'm going to put £5 into this one today. Right, that got £5, and then we'll see what we've got for the Save 2023 in 2023. We've got 20, 30, 40, 50. Great, I'm happy with that. Let's get £50 stuffed in here. Let's have a look. I do have some money to stuff because I emptied out the £1 coin jar and I changed it all up. So I'm going to stuff that at some point. There's a 50. And I must remember to put when it started. It did start in April, and I don't know when it's going to end, but we'll just see. So there we have it, 20, 30, 40, 50. You know I'm obsessed with this savings challenge, don't you? You know I'm really challenging myself to get it done before the ending of the year. I would like to do another one before the ending of the year as well, so we'll just see how everything goes. I loved my savings challenges stuffing today, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.